Hello, viewers and PMP aspirants. And this week is going to be a busy week with a lot of success stories on your way. You don't know which one to listen. Can I listen this? Can I listen that? Every success story will be unique in nature because everyone is unique in nature. When they prepare their own way of preparation and something will be new. The point of you coming here listening this video is there any takeaway for me? Is that exam content something is good for me to observe from this person when he or she presented the exam? That's what we're going to do here. So we have Ashutosh with us who cleared PMP on 12th of October. And he's pretty excited. I believe last 1 week he should have slept well because usually
Yeah.
this exam time, yeah, the day before the exam, I ask people to sleep, but they won't sleep. And after the exam over, I'll ask them sleep well. In the joy, they won't sleep. So either way, before exam, after exam, both they won't sleep. So to take 1 week to settle down, I believe he did it. So first, great congratulations, Ashutosh, for your wonderful success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And thanks to you for your classes and weekly mock tests that really help a lot. And the important part, like from the weekly mocks, what I get is a continuous engagement of like stakeholders, like whatever aspirants are there who want to complete their PMP exam, and that is very helpful for me. And yes, thanks to Rahul, yes, he's kind of robot, maybe 10.0. Like he's available at any time. I remember when I ping him in the night at 10:30, 11, he's always available. Within next few 2 to 5 minutes, the reply is there.
I
Yes,
like the way you
he's having
said.
the solution.
I like the way you said night at 10. I said 10 is the evening. The early evening
Okay.
hours, right?
Yeah.
People message at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. That's what
Oh,
late.
yes. For me, like it's I go to bed at like 11:30, and early wake up. Yeah.
Good. Give a little background.
Mhm.
Where you from and what made you to come here? How you landed up here? Right.
Yes. Right now I'm located in Noida, and yes, She Learning. I'm watching some YouTube videos, and suddenly I found one of the success story, and then I look into that, and after that I thought, yes, I it was pretty impressive. Yes. And after that I watched many other success stories as well, and then I it is very encouraging for me, like every week many people are doing PMP. So man, then I contacted, yes Rahul, I just want to go for the training session. And I think yes, March batch was the second batch with the new
Right.
syllabus. So I joined that. I think one day before I contacted, when your session going to start, I contacted Rahul, and immediately, same day, we fix it up, and next day,
It
started the
started.
journey. Yeah.
When you listen those success stories, do you realize one day you are going to give it?
Yes, definitely. And this journey started like early in 2019, when I think that I need to do this PMP. But anyhow, that link was not materialized. And in 2020 October, again I attempted, like because I know that in 2021 January the
Change.
syllabus going to change, and I tried and started again reading 2020 October, but I was not ready at last week of December, so I have not attempted for the exam. And yes, that is clear to me that as soon as possible I need to crack this. So that's the reason I immediately I contacted Rahul, and then this 5 or 6 months journey was there with you, continuous engagement, that was wonderful. And it's come to end at with the dream come true. Yes.
That's good to know. Good to know. So, what is your role actually, and is there any demand for you to learn this?
Yes, right now, I'm from IT background, working with Motherson Sumi, and the important thing, like or what I feel is like, as you know, I'm working as a project manager, but there are many areas that we need to be more clear about things like estimation. What are the different ways of estimation? How we plan, how we better plan the project, and now, yes. After doing this PMP, I can surely say that yes, it helped a lot. It's really helped a lot to me, and more better understanding the things and how in day-to-day routine, or how better we can progress with the project.
God, makes sense. Makes sense. And do you see agile flavor already? You are aware of things.
No, I was mostly, my projects was on waterfall or predictive model only. Agile, I know somehow about like what is little bit of Scrum. Yes,
Okay.
what project like Scrum Master, what is the Scrum Master role, but not more than that. But definitely, into this PMP journey, yes, it is more. We are, more aware about the agile terminologies and practices.
Right. But if you see corporate, what you are maybe, or the a circle, they follow most of the predictive way. Now, do you think agile learning is going to a little bit change the way you look at people or the way you handle things? Do you see anything advantage?
Yes, definitely. Like in agile, like in predictive, yes, change is something people are not liking, or it is something like that is an important area. What in the whole journey of this PMP, that in predictive we are not very much
Welcome the
keen
change.
to, yes, welcome to change. No, but in agile, yes, last minute changes are also welcome, and we need to focus on to the value to the customer. That is the more important thing. Yes, if something is not like if it is a say 1 year project and we are delivering at the end, or 11th, say at the end of 11th month, and that was a surprise to the customer. Okay, I'm not looking for this is not a solution for me. But in agile, definitely we can in initial stages or initial deliveries phases, we can identify, okay, and if there is any gap or any improvement area, that is that gives the more better deliveries to the customer.
Makes pretty good sense. Super, great. Thanks for giving those heads up. Really adds value. Now, how was your approach? Is it something like any one or two books you picked up? Any pattern you followed on your preparation?
Yes, Rita was a very good book. I read it thoroughly, and yes, now I can say that like my approach of like say reading the book is sometimes like cover to cover, like that. Yes, but definitely Rita is a very good book. It is having a very good flow and
Right.
very clear understanding of each and every areas of project management. Yes, and PMBOK 7, sorry, PMBOK 6, yes, not 7, I noted. 6 is having enough like, in
Right.
fact, that is more important towards the language of PMI. Like we did mocks in Prepcast versus this PMI study hall. Yeah.
Right. Got you. So
And
that's your habits. Yeah, please.
and I tried regularly, at least initial phases when I reading the book. So at least 2 hours in the evening when I got time. So I try to be more like regular onto the reading. So first of all, just understand what all things are there into the book, and then gradually coming to the mocks. Started with the She Learning mocks, apart from weekly tests that are conducted.
I
So
have not seen you missing any of the weekly test. You make yourself available.
sorry.
I think you made yourself available for the weekly test regularly.
Yes. And Then started with the She Learning mocks. I think I attempted 3 full mocks, and then go for Prepcast. Prepcast, all 4 mocks completed. And then, as I think I was discussing with you related to that study hall also. And yes, I can now say that study hall language is very much, similar to the real exam, and it help a lot. Yes, what you can say, it is very much similar. The language is very much similar to the real exam, and that help a lot in reading the question, and the flow is similar.
Right. So that could be one of the reason I keep telling people, don't worry on the score about the study hall, but
Yes,
take the exam, get the feel of language, come out of it. That's it. Because we know some of the questions are pretty tough. Sometimes scores go pretty low in study hall, which will demotivate people. Oh my God, I'm getting only 55. I'm getting only 60. I would say that don't worry about that. Just look at the language. Yeah, that's pretty important. Nice, good to know. So that made you to go towards examination. What kind of exam? Is it a proctor, center-based? How do you approach it?
Center base, and the reason for going for center base is I just want to be focus only, pin drop silence should be there, and and there should not be anything which is disturbing me. It is all their responsibility, everything is with them. Why I need to take very and just go for that. And it was what I can say that very good experience. They manage it very well. Very good arrangement.
Very professional.
Nothing. Very professional. Yes.
Very professional. Nice. Good to know.
What they did, everything, like including my water bottle, everything is kept into the locker outside. And I need to, whenever the break is there, so I can come out and then I can have a
nice.
My water, anything if suitable. Yeah.
Good. Nice. Good. That's pretty good. So when you go to exam, how was your time management? Because did you have anything in your mind? There's 180 questions. How do you want to divide? Do you have anything in your mind?
Yes, it is, luckily, or I can say that initially from the very first mock, like even when I attempted the She Learning mocks, I always try to keep it something like the first 60 questions should be completed within 75 minutes. So I tried, and many a times I successfully completed first 60 question within 80 minutes. Okay, although you always said that take it something like 90, 70, something like that. But I tried to be completed within 80, or if possible within 75. And in the main exam, it worked for me. First 60 questions is 74 minutes. Second 60, 72 minutes. And then I have ample time with me, 84 minutes. So
wow.
There was no issue. There was no issue of time management. Yeah.
Then it is fine, decent. Now, usually the first 60 will take a little extra time because of the nervousness. You feel so anxiety, and you read the same question 3-4 times. It will be a very simple, straightforward question. What is WBS kind of question? Also, you will keep reading again. What is WBS? What is WBS? Right?
Yeah, we normally are more conscious. Okay, it's final exam, so we need to be carefully reading.
Simple question, but you will see any twist there. Nothing is a straight away question will be there.
Yeah. The only thing, time management, I faced difficulty when I attempted my PMI study hall first full mock. Then I face, at that moment I face time issue. I think last 6 or 7 questions I don't have time. So I think that was the only case when I face some problem with the time management. Otherwise, related to Prepcast also, I think easily managed time.
Very good. So that made you to get a beautiful certificate. So we have to see the certificate also, right? That's very important. So now whatever we discussed, now Ashutosh has achieved it, and he got it by October 12th. Perfect. So one ask here. So do you know this is a date you're going to crack the exam? Did you set the goal?
Yes, yes. Initially, although I was planning for end of October, but I started my mocks in I think September 7th. The first mock of Prepcast I've started 7th of September, and when in gradually I completed third mock. I feel like no, 30th of October is will be too late. Although I start, my target was 26th of October, but then I preponed it. Yes, 12th is then I took it. Yes, 12th is feasible for me, and I can easily complete my reviews as well as study hall also. Then I preponed it for 2 weeks, and then it's final. Yes, yes, go
That's
for that
that's good.
center. Yes, yeah,
Yeah, because it is a date fixing is a big thing in exam. See, if
yes,
institute
right.
says this is a date, you have to take the exam, then we'll be fine. When the option is given to you, you can choose a date. People have multiple choice. Can I go now? Can I go later? So that's a question mark keep coming. Right, good. So now there are people like you who are preparing for the examination. And if you feel that you can give some tips to them who is going close to the exam, maybe in next another 1 month of time. So what will be your tips in the end of close to the exam?
Yes, the important thing is, yes, reading is definitely important. Reading the books is important, but what I feel is more important is go for the full mocks, read, review all the questions, make your notes. What is your gap area written down into a notebook, and this is what I followed, right? So I review all my full mocks and note down all my gap areas. And I'm having a writing habit, so that is okay for me. So many pages I've written, and then before the exam I review all those pages 2 times, so that at least
When you say
whatever
writing
my
habits, when you read the books, you write, or in the class also you write?
not in the class, but when I read the book, or normally when I reviewing my questions in the full mock.
Oh,
So
question.
whatever my gap areas are there, so normally I write down all those gap areas. And even if when I reviewing the questions, even if there is something which I feel is important, so I write down that point as well.
That's the point.
And before going to exam, I review all those, read all those points 2 times, so that at least whatever all the initially from she learning, then prepcast, then study hall, all the gap areas are written here. Read it twice, and then go for exam. It helped me a lot. Plus uh, summit leadership thought process should be there in your mind, always should be there in your mind. So and there are many questions which are real problem, like real life problem, like questions was there. So we need to act like, okay, this is a situation. And normally in the projects we feel, yes, this is a problem, and normally we behave like that only, right? So plus, yes, summit leadership should be there in all the time in your mind, and then should act with the solution. Yeah.
Nice, good. I like the way you start looking at the exam, not just taking as a question paper, rather seeing that as a real situations they are giving there, right? And bring the mindset of servant leader and agile concepts, which is drastically going to help us. Super, really good. I like that inputs from you. Books we got it, exam time management we got it, we got about the notes taking habits, all good. So how much your family supported on this part? Credit to them.
Yes, definitely. And from starting from the when I started the learning phase, like attending the classes, starting from there, and gradually it is increase. And even I think last 40 days is I am packed with my room in
Specifically,
daytime.
yeah, when you close the door, next 4 hours, don't disturb
Yes,
me, taking test. I think
yes, yes.
that's a peak time where they get totally irritated. They'll call you for lunch, breakfast, or dinner. You won't go out. You'll be always inside the room. They'll be, what happened to this guy?
Yes. And kids are also okay. Yes, you have completed your mock. Oh, finally, now we can switch on the volume, increase the volume of TV, something like that. Yes. And last
Those
40 days was
Yeah. Do they see you writing habits, assignments? And do they?
Yes, yes. Yes. I'm making notes, and almost I think one notepad filled. I think maybe 70% plus.
Wow.
I'm having a habit of writing even
Very good.
normal in office also. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. So impressive. Nice. Good to know. So now, how do you think this will be taken back to your office? Do you think it's all applicable, usable from the day one in your day-to-day life?
Yes, definitely. And I'm not, waiting for to complete my PMP, even though whatever I'm learning, and I'm trying to implement it. Like I got a new project. One transition project was there where I need to prepare a stakeholder register or this kind of thing. What is business case? I'm doing those activities. I started, okay, stakeholder register. These should be the 10 or 12 columns should be there into one Excel. Okay, start and preparing that so that at least you will have a feel. And now it is definitely time. Whatever we learn for that PMP, we should implement it so that it should be into our blood. Yes, we should not be referring anything. Everything should be inside. Yeah.
Inbuilt.
Yes, inbuilt. Yeah. Yes.
That's really quite
And
interesting.
one more point I think I need to share. Uh, break between 10 minutes break between in the real exam. So what I do, I took a break of 10 minutes. I went out, have some water, washroom, then come back. And I think within 7 minutes I came back, and then 3 minutes relax on in front of machine, relax, calm. Then at 10th minute, then start. So I think that gave me a feeling, okay, there is no worry, relax. And yes, when I was on 30th or 40th question in the first attempt only, first phase only, so I feel it's okay. If until unless there is some bouncer in the second or third,
I'll clear the exam.
I'll clear. Yes, and fortunately, second is okay. Then in the third I was a bit relaxed. Okay, it will be clear. Yeah.
The game.
And the problem with that, when you submit, it will take the person comes and tell, okay, sir, it will take 3 minutes. 3 minutes to submit, and I think sure maybe it had taken more than 1 minute. And it is very small font, 2-liner, 3-liner was there, and right now I'm also not know. Okay, congratulations was there, but what rest of the 2 lines were there, I don't know.
No, PMI, the people who are putting the results, they are yet to read the chapter called communication management. Once they read the communication management, they'll understand, communicate properly, clearly, precisely what to say. Tell them, and pass.
Yes, simple. I know the screen is very big, like the monitor is big, and you're reading 180 questions on that big screen, and then suddenly a very small font was there. What is there? What do you want to say? Just simply pop up, okay, congratulations or pass, something like that.
Sometimes I remember when I'm a junior resource, we'll go for some approval with the senior most guy, VP or director, some approval, big approval, exception approvals. We would think 2 days before you go and talk to this guy. It could be of travel approval or some approval, big approval. We'll go and explain him for 5 minutes. He won't even look at the pace. He will keep on looking here, there, mailing. We'll explain all. Expect any reply from him. He'll just look at, okay, that's it, he'll turn. Only one, okay, that's it. So it means approved or not approved, we don't know. He said, okay. Same PMI, after 4 hours of exam, they'll give one line. You don't know whether it's pass or fail.
And yes, when I came out, the person at the door gives me a paper and fold it and then give me into my hand. Then I slowly open it. Okay. Now it is okay. Now it's final.
Like a secret medical report that guy will give. Fold it. Yeah.
And no expression on their face. No, serious. I feel what happened.
They are meant for it. Yeah. Pretty good, Ashwin. That's a really good experience listening to you as if we went to the exam. Really nice feel. Thanks for sharing a lot of inputs and guidance, what to do. Yeah, it's pretty helpful. And always I see people and respect people who apply immediately what they learn. And because this value of PMP is not in this orange paper. It is there in what you do and how people look at you as a leader, right? That's pretty important. So we're great. Once again, thanks a lot, and good wishes for your success. And again, for all the viewers watching here, I'm sure you got some inputs from him, and definitely some of the key points will help you. Why I'm saying some of the key points is not all can be copied from him, because each one is individual. Some points, maybe the way to read the question, the way to read, have the mindset in the exam hall, 3 minutes of relaxation. So those are the key things which will help you. It look like simple, but in exam hall, that's very powerful. You'll come to know that when you go close to the exam, right? So wishes to all the viewers here. Give your likes and comments, and wishes to Ashutosh for his success, right? Right, Ashutosh, thanks for coming up here, and good wishes. Keep talking more. Soon we'll meet up in a different forum on a different success story.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Great. Thank you.